Today we will learn how to crochet this easy coaster for beginners. It's quick, simple, and perfect for cups, mugs, and home decor. Let's begin. For this crochet coaster I'm using only white yarn and a 5.5 millimeters crochet hook, scissors, and yarn needle. For round 1, make a magic ring. Chain 2. Count as 1 double crochet stitch. Work 11 double crochet into the ring. Watch my Absolute Beginners Crochet course playlist on my channel and link in the description box if you are a beginner crocheter. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Slip stitch at the top of the first double crochet to join the round. Total 12 stitches. Round 1 complete. Chain 2. Count as 1 double crochet stitch. 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Now onwards, 2 double crochet in each stitch around. At the end of round 2, make 1 double crochet in the first stitch. Count your stitches. Total 24 stitches in round 2. Now, make a slip stitch at the top of the first double crochet to join the round. For round 3, make 2 chains. Count as 1 double crochet. Make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Now make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. In the next stitch, make 2 double crochet. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. Now repeat the pattern. 2 double crochet in the next stitch. 1 double crochet in the next stitch around. Count your stitches. Total 36 stitches in round 3. Slip stitch at the top of the first double crochet to join the round. To start round 4, make 2 chains. Count as 1 double crochet. In the same stitch, make 1 double crochet. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. Again in the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. Now 2 double crochet in the next stitch. One double crochet in the next stitch. Again 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Now onwards repeat. 2 double crochet in the next stitch. 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Again in the next stitch, make 1 double crochet around. Count your stitches. Total 48 stitches in round 4. Now, slip stitch at the top of first double crochet to join the round. See, with this pattern, the circle is completely flat. I am so happy. You also follow this pattern to get the perfect flat circle. Now, we are going to design the border in round 5. First, make 1 chain. And make 1 single crochet into the same stitch. Skip 1 stitch. In the next stitch, make 5 double crochet. Skip 1 stitch. Make 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Now repeat. Skip 1 stitch. 5 double crochet in the next stitch. Skip 1 stitch. 1 single crochet in the next stitch around. Slip stitch into the first single crochet. Total 12 scallops on the border. Cut the yarn leaving a short tail. Pull the yarn tail and make the stitch tight. Now weave in extra yarn carefully. Follow the video tutorial. See what a beautiful coaster is this. You can make this coaster in your favorite colors. Like, share and subscribe for more beginners crochet tutorials. Also, visit my channel. Meet you in the next video. Till then, happy crocheting!